Whenever I am traveling, I always bring my Moment lenses with me, but the problem always is I need to protect these lenses. A lot of the times I'll just throw them into the little felt bags that they come in, but that doesn't keep them together, and I often have other accessories, so I'm always looking for a great tech pouch. Well, Moment has two. There's the original, which is a more classic design, and there's the newer one, which is actually weatherproof and has those nice little red accents. They're both fantastic bags, they have very similar interiors, and they're pretty much the exact same size. So whichever one you choose is really up to you and your style. The newer one, like I mentioned, is this weatherproof option. It has a really water repellent exterior, very grippy, nice little accents like the Moment tag there, the bright red zipper tags, and is going to do a great job of keeping the elements away from your lenses with things like that water resistant zipper. Once we open this up, we can see it's more for just 4 lenses. You can fit a whole bunch of other tech gear in here. There are a lot of other tech bags that are similar sizes, and they all have their own little benefits, but this is going to be specifically made for those Moment lenses. So once we remove all the packing material, you can see the 4 compartments right up front where lenses are going to fit perfectly. So Moment makes actually 5 or so lenses now, so you're going to be a little bit crammed if you want to bring all of them with you. But we have here the wide angle lens, the 58mm tele lens, the anamorphic lens, and of course the Superfish fisheye lens. That means for this trip, we're not going to be packing our macro lens, but it can always go here in this larger compartment. There are elastic straps sewn to the back, which is going to be perfect if you want to attach any cables, or maybe you want to bring things like a camera strap and a Moment case in case you don't rock it on your phone all the time. You always need that case to actually affix those lenses to your phone. On the back, you have another netting that can attach more stuff into there. Maybe you want to put some actual Moment lens pouches for actually when you take them out of the case on the go. You want to put a lens cleaner, additional cables, anything like that can fit in there. Moving to the tippy top, you can see 3 Velcro pouches, and these little guys are perfect for SD cards. Now, you are shooting mobile photography, so these are not necessarily always going to be useful, but if you ever use a general purpose tech bag, maybe you're shooting on your DSLR and you want to make sure you have some cards along for the ride. You don't need to use this for Moment lenses. In fact, those little lens compartments can come out because they're just Velcroed in place. So you can keep the long compartment there, as well as using the SD card slots on the top and everything else. The older case is still very handsome. It has a canvas and kind of a leather finish to the outside. You can see we still have all those lens compartments there, the elastic along the back for attaching any cables or whatever else you're bringing for the ride, and the back still has the netting, but it loses those SD card slots. So if you are just shooting mobile photography, you're not going to miss them. But if you did want those SD card slots, opt for the slightly more expensive weatherproof version. Both of these cases make amazing tech bags. Throw in some gear, they're not too big, very compact, they have specific spots for those Moment lenses, or you can compact those lens spots, use that for additional gear that you're going to be bringing with you along the way, utilize those SD card slots along the top, and you're good to go. If you ever take your lenses with you, you probably need something to protect them, and luckily, Moment's got you covered with their travel cases. Let us know which one of these is your favorite. Do you prefer the weatherproof, or do you like the classic design? Grab them from the link in the description and let me know your thoughts in the comments.